checked the compliments. Well, whenever you're ready to accept the compliments, we'll talk.
Okay, I'm ready. May I know why I'm here, please?
Excuse me. You are the boss.
Please, may I know why I'm here?
You're here because of James Walters. Recognize? He was detained and sent in life imprisonment.
Oh. So it's because of that gold digger that you brought me here. Is that it?
Yes. Chief, Judge, Maid, Mothers.
What business of mine is that? That boy was an assassin, and the law demanded that he be thrown to jail. He be thrown to prison for life imprisonment. And that's exactly what I did.
You sentenced him to life imprisonment?
No, I didn't. But the law demanded that I do.
But you pronounced the judgment.
As the law demanded. Not me.
In that case, so long as he's detained, so shall you. As a matter of fact, I, Chief Judge of my ward, declares you life imprisonment.
You must be a joker. You can't do that.
Let's see. Who's the joker?
Hello? Hello? Yes, I'm Mr. Morgan.
I'm Don Maxon. Your wife is in my custody.
Yes, thank you. Where is she? How is she?
She's fine. You can talk to her.
Hello, honey.
Hello. How are you? Where are you?
Honey, I'm not fine. I don't even know where I am.
Why? I don't understand. Who is with you there? And why is he holding you?
He said they are keeping me because of that assassin, James Walters.
What about him?
Listen up. I have your wife. And she can only regain freedom as soon as James Walters is released.
But you know it is not possible. You know it.
Oh, I can see you're not willing to talk business. Whenever you're ready, text this phone.
Hello? 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 Hello?
You said his name is Don Maxon. Maxon?
Yes, Don Maxon. Do you have any idea of who it is?
Don Maxon. That name sounds so familiar. Have you reported this matter to the Commissioner of Police?
No, Your Excellency, you are the first person to tell you.
It's okay. It's okay. I will relay this information to the State Commissioner, please. Okay? Yeah. In fact, let me call him right away.
That any reasonable information about mom's whereabouts?
Your mom is under hostage.
Leave behind Immerse. What do you want?
Dad, what do you intend doing now? Because mom can't just die. Heads.
My dear, the police are on top of this situation.
Dad, the truth is, I don't trust police on issues like that. Why not involve the Navy, the Army, even the Air Force? Dad, please.
My beloved children, listen to me. The best thing you can do for me now is for all of you to be calm. Just be calm. Because I'm saying this with assurance. The governor of the state is very much interested in this case. And because he is, he's doing everything possible to apprehend the abductors. So just relax.
What do they want? What do they want?
That's the question everybody's asking, and myself. But nevertheless, I wish people should know that your mother is the chief judge of the state. The state cannot fold their hand. They are doing everything for our release. Let's go.
My president. Yes, I'm fine, sir. Yes, I am doing everything possible to ensure that she is released, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, my president. Yeah, the police is on top of the situation. Yes. I have even asked the JTF commander to read into the matter. Yes, sir. I assure you she will be released soon. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye for now, sir. Yes. What do I do now? The place is taking much time in this matter. That is true. Yes. Yes. Hello? Hello? Don?
Your Excellency, what is it? I mean, what happened?
He killed my boys and collected the money.
God! But I thought you people agreed that immediately they get the money, they will release my wife.
That is exactly what we agreed on, but I don't know why he changed his mind.
So, what is next?
I don't know for now, but I need some time to think out something else.
Your Excellency, I need my wife's freedom. I desperately need my wife's freedom. My wife must be released. Yes, I am the state party chairman, and my problem should be state problem.
Yes, I know, Chief Morgan, but we have to handle this case with diplomacy. If not, we will cost your wife her life. Please.
Why are you still keeping me here? I thought you said you needed money. And the governor has paid you. Please let me go. I want to go back to my house. Why are you still keeping me here?
Well, I collected the money for the money you owed me in this last election that I worked for. And as for you, I won't release you until James comes to me.
You're such a wicked person. You are so wicked.
Don't you know you're more wicked? That impersonated a young poor boy because he was looking, finding his daily bread through a dirty job created by your government. For your information, the killings allegation against James was arranged by the government and its cabinets because they want to use the means to win the election. It's a trick. And the same group ganged up against James because they believe that they might someday repent.
What does this idiot want? What? Maxine, if I get you, I will crush you. I will crush your family. I will crush anything that concerns you. Idiot. Hello?
I want you to tell me everything you know about the killing of James Phillips and my uncle.
Miriam.
It is me. Just tell me what you know.
My love, my sweetheart, I don't understand what you're saying.
You are a great liar. I hate you so much.
Chief, why don't you tell your wife the whole truth?
Stop corrupting my wife's mind. Stop. Why not stop?
I can see you don't love her.
That is a lie from the pit of hell. I love my wife and she knows it.
10 days. 10 days to save your wife's life. Or better still, tell her the gospel truth.
Maxine, let nothing happen to my wife. Else.
Else what? Oh, fake threats. Else you die along with her. 10 days. 10 days.
Hello? Yes, let him in. What is it, my wife? What about her?
She has been briefed about all that took place in the past.
What are you talking about?
My wife knows everything about the killing of Mr. Philip Hall and her uncle.
This is serious.
Yeah, doctors, of course.
Then what do we do?
I should be asking you that. I did everything.
The reason I came, Your Excellency, is to hear directly from you.
Yeah, that's very thoughtful of you. It has shown me how intelligent you are. Well, I just want to reconfirm what Chief Morgan has told you people, we are ready to make you guys millionaires if you comply by the rules. And in less than no time, you people will be driving in different posh cars of your choice in the state. That's it. I believe he told you that. Yes. So he will sort the rest things out with you people. Chief Morgan.
Consider it.
Yes.
I hope you guys know why Mr. Morgan sent you here. And I hope you are ready for this.
Yes.
And remember that whatever you swear to in this temple, that you must do everything possible to keep to it, else you will die. Now open your hands. I want you to reach out and touch this bowl. Good. Now I want you to repeat after me. I swear to this temple
I swear to this temple
that I will be loyal and obedient to Mr. Morgan,
that I will be loyal and obedient to Mr. Morgan,
that I will carry out any instruction given to me by Mr. Morgan.
that I will carry out the instruction given to me by Mr. Morgan.
Good. Now let me fortify you beyond human destruction.
That's exactly what you want.
But one of you must have to pay the ultimate sacrifice.
Wise one, if I may ask, how do you mean?
It means that one of you have to sacrifice his life for the rest of you to be fortified.
You mean one of us must die for the fortification of the rest of us? Who is the us that you're referring to, Wise One? Let's leave this place. We don't need it anymore. Be fine. Listen.
Mr. Pedro, I think you guys need it.
No, we don't need it, Wise One. We can take care of ourselves.
Wise one, don't want it.
Anyway, it is not a problem. But whenever you guys change your mind, you can always come back and get fortified.
Thank you, Wise one.
Thank you. This is your first mission. The governor of the state has given you a contract to construct a company worth 250 million. So, we want you guys to kidnap the managing director of the company and demand for 125 million. So all we want you guys to detail the story.
You mean my husband knows all this?
Even no more.
God. God, please.
What have we done to
think we should be celebrating. That was a successful deal. I mean, a good one. Successful outing. Yeah.
What did you talk? I mean, what did you hear? Hey, roll and kiss the god die. Somebody celebrate. Boss. See, for your front. Hey, roll and kiss the god die. Oh, what? I kill a brother, but you wait not reach.
What here? Now you didn't kill. Now you didn't kill. Now you die. What did they worry you now? The person died.
The thing shake me up. I know say this business not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be easy at all. Guys, if we must succeed in this business, then we need a proper backup plan.
How do you mean? I don't understand. Tell me, what plan are you talking about?
Guys, we need to go back to that temple for fortification.
Guy, are you okay? Are you out of your senses? You know, you didn't hear what that man said? That a soul must go for others to be fortified. Are you ready to give your soul? Eh?
Can you imagine? Now tell me, honestly, if I have known that this is how tedious this business is, I wouldn't have involved myself at all. Just check out now. 2 persons has gone down the drain. 2 of us is dead already. Who knows who will go down next?
Anything we go do, make we do am. See, me, I swear, they will never go scot-free. Give us all the more go to execute this mission, guys.
Muy baby. My eyes have seen my hands. I don't suffer for this town. I don't suffer. See, you know the worst part of it. All those sugar money they pay for club. They drop banner again. The condition why I dey now. If we don't point out my condition, she will survive. Now I'm calling more crack brain together.
If I see you say they talk this kind of thing, they vex me. If they talk about your condition, they vex me. You know that what thing that happened to me now. But if they see me like this, I don't drop school. Once you don't go down, I don't drop school like this. I don't go school again. Mommy, I don't go school again. See, as my condition today now, if you get the money I will do to make money, I will do it. Even if I score, I will do it. But you know me. You know me.
You say anything you need to do.
Anything we are to make cash, I will do it.
You get the labor, let me know.
See what you have when I get the liver. You don't forget how it be. You don't forget that today, you are your bell, I go market, I will help you cut and finish here and go sell. But I don't pay your one, 10 times to go sell your market for you. You tell me what I get mine. I don't even say you tell me this kind of thing. I will help you carry your market to go sell. Now you come here and buy something for me.
See, Leo. Duty is duty. You understand? Them say small worker and they big built. You don't want dirty, not small dirty worker who may make today. No, may make tomorrow. That worker will not cash. But not if you give
Baba, show me that. How they work. You just think how they work be. Go see that place.
No worry. See when you go to school. You say she is the My lord, we've come to let you know that we are ready for the sacrifice.
I know that you guys will come back for it. Now, who is the sacrificial lamb?
My lord, Leo here is the sacrificial lamb.
What are you talking about? I don't understand you.
I'm sorry, Leo. I didn't tell you about this, but I have to do this.
What are you talking about? Is it the money you told me you are going to make? I am out of this.
Bring him forward.
What? Baba, why are you doing it like this now? Baba?
Who is going to do the sacrifice?
My lord, I'll do it.
Great Dava, this is the sacrifice that you demanded. Grant them their heart desires. I'll drink from this bowl. Congratulations, all of you. You are now fortified beyond human destruction. You may now go.
Like Pedro said, we were left with no option than to obey. That was how we went killing one after the other. It was in our last operations to kill Senator James Robinson that James Walters was shot. We tried all the best we could, but he was arrested, taken to the police station.
What did you guys say really happened?
Wise one. One of our men, James, has been arrested. He was shot when we were carrying out an operation.
Yes, wise one. You told us that after the sacrifice, that we're going to be above human destruction. So what happened? How come the bullets penetrated James?
And the painful part of it all
is that he was shot by a female officer. A common woman brought him down.
No wonder. I thought as much.
How do you know I saw?
The bullet penetrated him not because he was shot by a woman, but because he was shot by a woman who was on her period.
Period. Wise one. We don't understand your riddles. What has a woman under her messes got to do with bullets penetrating James?
A woman is always powerful whenever she is on her menstrual period. Anything she does at that point in time can neutralize any charm, no matter how powerful that charm is.
You see.
Wise one. So what do we do now? We're no longer safe. Besides, we don't want James to die. Yes. Or go to jail.
Don't worry. If it's not his fate to die or go to jail, he will not. But I'll see what I can do to help him.
And when we went to see Chief Morgan, I explained things to him. Guess what he told us?
You see, I want you guys to take heart. Yes. The governor is very, very busy with election matters. But I want to assure you that immediately after the election, he will give a special attention to James matters. Yes.
Just listen to yourself. The governor is way too busy on political matters. Allowing his boy to that served him diligently go to jail.
No. You are getting it wrong. He will never go to jail. No. You see, all I want you guys to do, pray that he wins the Saturday election. Yes, if he wins. If he wins, James gets with him. It will just be my case. Yes. I see. Take this to the governor. If anything happens to James, his government will know no peace. Nothing will happen to him, my brother. Nothing. Nothing will happen to him. And I want to, let you guys know what the governor said. He said you should submit all the arms immediately after the election.
Do something. Yes. Do something. Tell the governor that Jesus wants to this. Not to join. Not a single weapon. You're prepared to declare war against the government. War? Listen to me. Yes, war. Will make the state of comfort. So, after the elections, the governor was reinstated for second term.
Good. Congratulations. 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 Oh, that's my boys. I'm so happy. Yeah, who found that? I am so good. So, yeah, this is 8 million naira for you and you guys. Oh, wow.
So what do you guys say is the problem?
Wise one. We are not happy. Wise one. We are not happy. Mr. Morgan and the governor are playing a fast one with us. We have done our own part. The governor has returned elected. And they're not doing what they have, their own part of the bargain.
Wise one, please beg them. Beg them not to take us for granted. Some of our men died in cost of fighting for them, including one of us behind bars. Now they've won the election and they want to throw us away like that. We won't let that happen at all.
So what do you guys want to do?
Tell them to pay what they have promised and the release of James Walter, else there will be no peace.
I will talk to them, but for now, I want you guys to lie low.
Wise one, thank you. We'll lie low, as you advise. But please, they should not try anything further, because if they do, make this whole town unbearable for them.
They have no option than to comply.
Please, since he has been able to raise some money for you guys, release his wife.
Wise one, with due respect, I won't. Those men are heartless. They think they're smart. I will prove to them that we are smarter than they are. Do you know how many of my boys that lost their lives as a result of rigging the election? I lost over 20 boys. And they think they could just kick us out because they have achieved their political aim? No way.
So what do you want them to do?
Let them pay according to what we bargained. Fully paid. And the release of James Walter. That's all we demanded.
And what if they are not able to meet up with these demands?
We make this country ungovernable for them. Do you know the worst part of it? Wise one. They have ordered police, the military force, to shoot us at sight. They just want to eliminate us. Why? Wise one. Tell Mr. Morgan that if he does not meet up with our demand, I will personally, brutally eliminate his wife and send her corpse to him. And we won't stop there. I will still come after him and his governor. Wise one. That was how we had to. We left the government house with all the firearms. And the government declared us wanted because he knows we got wanted.
This is just like a super story to me.
I'll talk to you later, man.
I beg you in the name of God, allow me to go. Free me. From the story you just told, you can see that I am not in any way connected to this. Please just let me go.
Madam, I can see that I've been patient enough. And long enough. And I'm running out of patience. It is obvious that your husband wants you dead. And I will kill you.
Killing me will not solve your problem. Killing me will not make you achieve your end. Allow me to go out there and look for a way to handle all these issues. I promise you one thing. I will make sure that my husband, the governor, and all the evil men connected to this story are brought to book. I promise you that I'll make sure that happens. Just allow me to go. I beg you,
Madam, I am not interested with who paying for what they did. All I'm interested in is to see that my friend, my brother, James Waters, is released. And as for your husband, I know how to handle him. When the time comes, all I want you to make me happy for is to see that my guy is released.
Okay, but just allow me to go out there and handle all this. It's only me that can handle it. Please.
Dad, you're not going to anywhere today.
Also, excuse us.
You just have to explain all you know about Mom's kidnap. You have to tell us.
What else do you guys want to know? Eh? She's still on hostage. And I'm doing everything humanly possible to get her out of there. Yes.
Dad, you know the kidnappers of our mom.
God!
Yes.
What I say?
Yes.
I don't know the kidnappers of your mother. I don't know. I only discussed with them. I negotiated with them through the phone, so that I can take care of the whole thing. That's all.
It's okay, Dad. No problem. Since you don't want to tell us, we'll just go to the press. I'll tell them the phone conversation Smile had with them last night. And you have to explain to us who is the Maxon.
What do you mean? What do you guys know about the Max? What do you know?
Dad? don't mind. You can answer the question in the press.
Yeah. Yes.
Look at myself.
Come here! Come here! Don't get... Marshal! Sir! Don't allow this case to go anywhere. Don't allow this case to go anywhere. Sit them! And make sure you sit their laptop and their phone. Sit them! Yes, sir. Follow them up! I will let you, sir. Look at myself.
God, I can't believe it. So, Dad actually knows something about Mumsy now.
No wonder he has refused to speak to the media.
Yes, no wonder. No wonder. So, what do we do now?
I think we should report this to the governor. We need to report this to him, serious.
Yeah. There's point there. Let's do it immediately. Where's your phone?
Let me get it.
Please get it fast. Please.
What's the meaning of this?
Your father has instructed me to collect your phones and laptops.
What kind of silly order is that from him? Vera, will you go in and collect your phone? Let's do something important here. Rubbish.
What sort of rubbish is this?
You have no choice than to obey your father's instruction.
Vera, calm down. The phones and laptops are enough.
Smile!
You heard me. You heard me. It's in the room.
Speak or act stupid. Alright. Let's go get the phones.
I hear you. So how is everything? How was the meeting? How did it go? Fine. I trust you. I know what you can do. Yeah. Okay? I trust you. Oh. Please, I'll call you back. Where are you going to?
Well, my friend told I was visiting my friend today.
Friend? My friend, will you get back inside? I said, will you get back inside the house? Or have you gone deaf?
No prisoner in this house.
Your Excellency.
Chairman, there are protocols to be observed. Why do you barge into my office?
Me, Mr. Buddha, was a protocol. Because of this lot. Because of this prostitute. I don't blame you.
Chairman, with due respect, it's my guest you are talking to like that.
It's not your girl or your guest. It's please tell her to go as well.
I will send my PA to bring it to you, okay? Yes. Chairman, that is sweet banana, the one they call venomous.
I can't believe it. You see, I can't believe this. You are heartless. So you are here enjoying yourself. My wife only 2 days to die. And my children, they are all disturbing me. And you are here enjoying yourself. I don't blame you.
Who told them? Who told them?
They are threatening. My children are threatening me for life. That they are going to take this into the press. And they will talk about Maxim and everything.
This is a big trouble. We are in a big trouble. See, we cannot afford to allow anything concerning us and those idiots to be taken to the press.
My children cannot allow me to wait. They are giving me sleepless nights. I have seized their laptop and phone.
Good idea. That's good idea.
Tomorrow, they'll be traveling back to Canada.
That's bad idea.
Why?
If you send them to Canada, seize their laptops and phone, when they get there and you buy them a new one, they will use it to be contacting your friends on Facebook, WhatsApp, and BBM, and from there, our problem will be disseminated to the public.
What do we do?
Yes, you say you keep them hostage in your house. Order them not to leave your compound so that they will not be accessible to dissemination of information concerning our problems.
Your Excellency, I feel so bad. That I am the one. Only me. Why only me? Every trouble is now in my family. Eh? Every trouble. Why? I did all I did for you. But why? Why is it that the whole program is on me?
Morgan, stop being negative in your thoughts. I have told you that I have instructed the Commissioner of Police to wade into this matter, to be in search of your wife, and within 24 hours, your wife will be found and be released.
What if they don't find her?
They will find her. They will find her. I have told you that is what is going to happen. You have to get out. Get out from the office. Hello? Yes, it's just because I've been very busy. What is it that cannot wait until I come back? I instructed her that none of you should leave that house. Yes. Yeah. Will you shut up and keep quiet until I come back to that house? Nonsense. People thought that life is bed of roses. There is fire on the mountain, and you people think that going out is all and all that one needed in life.
Princess!
Brother!
Princess!
Brother!
Okay.
You know, I'll be my friend. Text me. Be my brother. Don't know.
How are you, Tessie? Alright then, I'll see you guys, okay?
Brother,
Yeah?
when is he brought from
You mean Princess didn't give you anything?
Everything is failing.
Listen, don't tell me that. No. Get us something, okay? Take care of yourself, huh? Catch you.
Everything is finished. I'm serious. Okay, fine. What do you want? Water? No. Mineral? No. Champagne? Yes, I want like champagne.
Stop here. Where did you think you're going to?
I want to buy something at the mall.
Your father has ordered me not to allow you girls out from this school.
What nonsense! Since when did we become prisoners in our father's house? Huh?
You can ask your father that when he gets back. For now, you have to obey his order and go back to your room.
You are not okay. Who gave you the right to tell us when to go out and when not to go out? Come on, bodyguard.
Better calm down. Let's go back inside.
Come on now, do no such thing.
No!
Go out. How dare him? He can't stop us from going out. No. That's fine. Easy.
Imagine you walking like this and like you chose you.
Hey. Sorry for you.
Like this stuff. Sweet girl, what's up?
Big
What is that?
Only in our cheeks, so
Babes, bad market today. Bad market. Imagine I was with the governor in his office, having some cold and trying to scatter his data so that I can just grab money from him. There and then, one old fool just barged into his office without knocking. What? What kind of old fool is that?
Then leave that thing. Leave that gist. Beauty fucked up. She fucked up now. I mean, this is the governor we are talking about. It's not like she can't actually, ask him to get a hotel for, both of them to have some time together. Don't she be doing it in his office? Oh my God, I'm disappointed.
What were you expecting of me? You know what? The governor was telling me that he's busy and he will be traveling today to Abuja to meet the president. And I have no option than to lure him into doing it in his office. That was when that bad luck just came in. So at all, nothing come out.
Ask her. Ask her.
He was telling me he will send his PA to bring some stories. But I don't trust him. You know how difficult it is for him to pick simple calls. So when I had this opportunity today, I had to neutralize it. But
Men. Why are all these men like this? Why are men like this? Especially those rich ones with so much money. Where are they always like this?
Oh, wow. Girl, there are many girls always available to take care of that sexual urge and get paid, so they don't value girls at all. They will use their phone to call any girl of their choice because they know we girls, we need money.
We don't suffer. This thing you just said has made me conclude one thing. That God will punish men. Do you know, God will punish men in a way they will never understand. Child, I just hate these creatures.
For real, it is we the girls that God will punish.
How?
Why? Because we love money so much. Who can you get it?
please girls, please. I'm very tired, so I need to be.
Now, I give you watch orders. Henceforth, on no account should you allow two of my daughters out of this compound. None of them should go out. They are on house arrest. That is number one. Number two, don't allow them use their phone or their laptops. On no account, no matter the pressure they mount on you. Thirdly, nobody, I repeat, nobody should visit them in this house. Nonsense! I have spoken, and so must it be. Let me make myself clear. Yes, sir.
This is my coordination, so the governor is mine. Alright?
See yourself. The guy said there are two big men. The governor and the party chairman. I better relax. Make the shoes first now.
Ashanti, me, I support Wendy. I love the men choose who they want that big. If you come reach the governor don't like you.
Okay, fine. Yes, they don't. Governor don't like me. They're mad. It's on that first generation.
Ashanti.
Hey! Take them easy. And I won't begin disgracing myself for this place. I beg me, I don't want fuck up.
See, as for me, I am going to spend the night with the governor. So who's coming with me?
Babe, relax. Nobody they drag governor with you. Park where?
As for me, Doris, and all
Hey, why you be saying? I shower, or not just reflect on herself at all. Doris, even you said too.
Sheila, what's he gonna bring this one now?
Only you want English.
What's I do? What's I talk? Nah, I beg just back. Babes, no, nah. Ask my show. Why not they misbehave now? Why?
Well, hello. Yeah, hi.
Sir? I hope you're enjoying it.
Yeah. You girls are very sweet, very fun.
Wow.
Just relax, okay? We're going to give you the best. In fact, we're just starting with you. Yeah. We're going to make sure you have a splendid night.
Yeah.
Wow. At the same time, I'll make you girls smile in the morning.
We really can't wait for that big smile.
Oh,
seriously.
I'm
glad you like
I
it.
can see you girls at the time they call vitamin C. This case is too bad, though. Okay, somebody. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Did any of you see my ring here?
A ring?
Yes.
Morris, did you see any ring? Ring, no, I didn't.
Anyway, no problem. My boy will search for it. It's just that I removed it. I dropped it somewhere in this room, so no problem. You will look for it, okay? Yeah. Let me go and get dressed for a meeting. Alright? Make sure you drop it for me.
Of course I will drop it. That's if we see it. That's why you do the ring. Hey! Ring it, what? What's hell?
Yeah, hi.
I checked your friend, they're not in their room. Why?
You just walked out of the lodge.
Why? How about my coats?
See, I just got an alert now from the governor. 100k each. What if the governor just want 100k for us? Why?
He said he's going to do you guys well next time.
Oh, really? Can you imagine? Stories that touches the heart. Eh? It's swallow.
Hello?
Hello?
Bro Donald. They just kidnapped Princess.
What?
Yes. She was accompanying me home.
Wait. Are you sure of what they're telling me? Where are you guys?
I'm hiding somewhere.
Where are you now? I mean, where are you? My sister kidnapped. My sister. My own sister.
Babe, Abba. Babe, Abba. I can see the happiness on your faces. What say the governor do now? Where?
How much the governor can give you that?
See, nothing much. Less than expected. Hey! This man gave us 100 G's only. I mean, 100K. What?
What is a
It's
lie?
a lie.
What is a lie? I said 100K. That is what you make it to us. You can imagine. And I'm not going to give you more than that anyway. Come to think of it. How much did you give to you girls?
Tell them. Tell them.
Can you imagine? The man did not touch us. We woke up this morning and saw 400K on the table. We shared 200K each. Ashanti, they here? Now you be say, now only put of us lose. As if you lose finish.
Babe, now only you lose. Because as it stands now, I didn't lose any.
English don't come again.
Hey.
At least this ring is gonna fetch me some cool.
What? Jesus Christ. Ashanti! Jesus! So you were actually the one that stole this man's ring and he was asking of it and you did not even say you took it.
You see? As if I knew it was gonna be like this sweet. Is this ring? It's gonna be a big supplement to me, you know?
See, you know what? I fear you. Babe, you carry thief join their shower or what you do?
That's by the way. You know?
Hey.
Let me try it on first. Wow, this is lovely. Can you feel it?
Let's sit down.
What's the apple? Ashanti. What's the apple? Wake up now! Wake up! Wake up now! What's this now? Wake up now! What's this? Wake up now! Hey, wake up! Wake up! I don't see na that week we should go away from governor. Na him kill her. That governor dey evil. That governor na very bad.
The governor need pay for the bad practice when they don't do, and this one when they do so. Governor kill my baby. Governor kill my own Ashanti. And the governor kill her. Like kill her.
What? What are you saying? What evidence do you have against the governor? Who took her to governor's lodge
I beg no will implicate. Let's take this as a lesson for both of us. I don't need to again, my dear. You see, especially those rich people and those married people, those wealthy men. Oh God, oh, not them people, but they all evil men. So like, so this girl take die.
See, just pray for that grace. Because if he doesn't,
Yes, hello. Yes. Someone here wants to speak with you. Yes, of course.
Hello, brother.
Princess, where are you? How are you?
I don't know where I am and I'm not fine.
Yes. Now listen. Your sister's life now depends on you fulfilling our demands.
Idiot. You fool. Now listen to me. That idiot killed my father.
Hey, no, listen. I do the talking, you listen. See, your sister's life now depends on you fulfilling our bargain. Which is very simple. Make sure James Walter is set free. That's all.
Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. Please, just let me go. Please.
I will. Only if your brother cooperates.
Please, I'm begging you.
Pray, So after killing my father, after killing my dad, it's my sister that want to kill, right? After killing my dad, this is my sister now! How can I be better? How can this be happening? No, I'm a man, man. I can't be saying this. No!
Please, I beg you in the name of God, allow me to go. I promise you all your demands will be met. I promise you in the name of God. Just allow me to go. Please.
Chief Justice. This is law. I will declare and pronounce judgment over you. Just will dig that into the
Please grant justice with mercy, I beg you.
mercy.
You said mercy?
That was the same language. The same language Walter's lawyer said to you. But you still went ahead to pronounce life imprisonment. You're begging for mercy. Okay? I hear you. But may I remind you that you have less than 120 minutes to leave? Excluding mercy.
what to say right now. I'm totally confused. But I think the best thing to do now is to plan on how to get out of this house.
How can we do that? The guards, Dad has warned the guards not to allow us out of this compound.
Then we need to find a way. We must find a way out of this house before something happens to us.
Smile. Do you think Dad can be that evil to kill Mom?
I don't know. But Dad's actions are questionable. I think something is wrong somewhere.
Serious, Smile. If really Dad is involved in this, I will surely hate him for life.
I beg, enough of this. Please, enough of this. Go and get me a drink. I feel like drinking. I'm not happy, I beg.
Please, can you just take things easy?
I will not take things easy. Stop telling me that. In fact, I don't even want to hear anything from you. This is my sister we are talking about. This is my sister that has been kidnapped. You want me to sit down, fold my hand and be walked? Listen, I can't.
Worrying, I have never heard has solved any problem, but rather will compound the situation. I would advise you allow the police do their job.
Listen, that is police, not me. Those fools cannot just kidnap my sisters and I'll allow them go scot-free. Okay? It can happen. This is my statement.
Your sister's freedom should be all that matters to you now.
You see the problem I have with you? You see why I say you're not romantic? You see the problem now? Huh?
Oh, it's funny, right? It's funny.
Okay. Sorry.
Just calm down. Calm down. You're asking me.
Calm down, Paul. Calm down while you know that in less than 2 hours, my wife will be killed. And you're asking me to calm down.
Chief Morgan, stop being negative in your thoughts. Nothing will happen to your wife. You heard when the commissioner of police said that some arrests have been made. Let us wait for a while.
I cannot afford to lose my wife. She is my world. She is my everything. I just can't understand why. That I'm suffering the whole thing. Why my family?
I promise you, Chief Morgan, nothing will happen to your wife. What if she's killed? I promise you also that you will be duly compensated.
What kind of stupid compensation are you talking about? No, tell me what compensation can be compared to the life of my wife, of my beloved wife. I feel so bad because the way I am paying the price is too much. Why everything centered on my family?
Don't forget, I have paid my own price. My own sacrifice I have made.
What stupid sacrifice are you talking about?
In case you have forgotten, you brought me into this game. I was not interested to become the governor, but you convinced me to contest. That I did. And I paid my sacrifice by sacrificing 11 virgins to the Amankra shrine that you took me to. I became a killer overnight. Don't forget that.
I can see you are not insane. I can see you are not in. But I want to tell you something. You know I know this game far more better than you do. If you don't put yourself together, I will wipe over your family. This is a promise I must have fulfilled.
So what do you think you're going to do?
I'm gonna do my sister release.
And how do you intend achieving that?
Don't worry, I have my plans.
You just have to be careful so you avoid getting yourself into trouble, okay?
Like I said, don't worry. Okay, I'll be fine.
Okay, you can say so. begging you, please don't shoot me, please.
As long as the water is in prison, I will keep killing, taking your whole family. James Water must be set free!
What happened?
The bitch is there.
Why you kill this girl now? What did they worry you for? You dey craze? This girl now like bargain for us.
Now listen. Pedro has given me an assignment. And until Water is set free, I will keep killing the whole community. I will do that.
Do you realize that Water is my boyfriend? I feel the pain.
And Water means a lot to me too. He means a lot to me.
Have any right, any goddamn right to kill.
Don't make me use this on you.
Use it on me. Use it on me as if you say your brain no dey work.
Until Water is set free, I will keep killing. I will kill. Princess! They killed my sister! They killed my sister! Where are they? I must kill! Helicopter! Yeah! My sister! Princess! Princess!
So how are you guys doing?
I know we're fine. Pedro, why not telling the truth? We are not fine.
Why?
We have broken out of our former group. I saw one of us is turning himself to be a king, forgetting the word kingmakers. So we decided to break out and form our own group. That's why we're here. So we can get extra fortification for ourselves. Yes, great one. We want to be extremely strong and indestructible.
Anything you want, you will get. If only you are ready to pay the price.
We are ready to pay the price.
Well said there. I will have to give you a list of the items that you need to bring for the sacrifice. Always remember that to whom much is given, much is expected. And like I said to you earlier, always try to avoid a woman who is in her menstrual period, because she is the one that will destroy you.
There's someone to talk to you about.
What is it?
You know Bridget, my daughter. She'll be having her birthday party on Saturday and I want to attend.
So how do I come in? What do you want me to do?
You want to talk to your husband for me? Talk to them. You see, I'm not making
You know it's not going to be easy at all. Because such parties are always at night. So it will be easy for me.
For me, it's not going before you know it. Maximum 1 hour. After that, I get back to the house. Okay, no.
But I want you to understand it. Whatsoever your father is doing for you, even your dad is not going to you. So whatever you're doing, very, very careful. So you don't give me this position. You have no impression about yourself, any member of this family.
Is that why it changed? Because it's not the governor.
See, you don't blame your daddy. Okay? You don't have to blame him. He's not a public figure. So he's always very careful whatever he does. Or are you not enjoying the respect you earn of the government?
Yeah, it's interesting. I'm enjoying it. It's giving me my rights and my normal life. I don't like it too.
You know, you don't have any option than to adapt to this lifestyle.
Or at least I'm going to go for the party and you're standing for me. Yes!
Girls, the governor is not picking his calls.
Really? You are giving me a surprise visit in his office like you always do.
Baby,
just dress up, come and see me in his office.
You girls think it's that easy, right? You think it's that easy? See, there are a lot of procedures to be passed through before you can see the governor in his office, especially when he doesn't want to see you.
Hi. Wow. Why is it that these rich men are like this? Why is it that they don't just seem to regard or respect us? At least a little now. Why are you laughing?
Regard who? You or me?
Me.
Please, say different thing. Because with their money, they can get any girl of their choice. So please, don't even go there.
My dear, it still does not mean they cannot regard girls. I mean, every man has got a control switch. Anyway, Sha, I don't blame him. I blame Beauty here. Why would she actually go and give him in his office? I mean, she fucked up now. Do you know that right now, if she had not given him his office, he would have been calling her now. But now he just sees her like one cheap girl.
It's enough. What? Did you actually refer that word to me?
Sorry.
Don't just let me face you with this anger, okay?
Sorry, Beauty, but then you look at it. Look at it. This thing I'm saying, I see it like. Forget that you're the one. No, there's a little atom of truth that what I'm saying.
That's enough. That's enough.
Sorry.
Yes? Yes, what? Where? Where is she now? Oh, that is great. That is great. Thank you. I told you. The commissioner of police just called and said that your wife has been found.
What? Where is she?
She has been taken to the hospital.
Which hospital?
Okay, let me confirm again.
Thank you. Missed you.
How have you girls been?
We've not been fine.
Daddy seized all our laptops and phones and even prevented us not.
Oh yeah. Come on, we come here. Okay, the news now is that you girls want to go back to Canada, right?
Yes, Mom.
I'll make sure you go back to Canada. So forget about the kidnap. I've really missed you girls. Oh, thank you. You didn't keep your hair, you didn't brush your hair, you didn't brush yours too.
Forget that. We'll brush it later.
Madam, welcome. Welcome,
Joy.
ma. I'm so happy you are back.
Joy.
Yes, ma.
The truth is that I've missed all of you so much.
I miss you too, madam.
Bye, Joy.
I'm so happy you are back.
Delicious joy.
Precious joy, you will say.
Joy.
London, don't talk like that, okay? You're my son. I miss you so much.
Where is she? Where is she? Don't play, my dear. How are you? Thank you. Where is that your useless daughter? Where is she?
Honey, please calm down. Calm down, please. Which of my daughters?
Angela!
What has she done again? What? Angela!
Mom, you called.
Hey! You are a very big fool. Why do you always bring shame to this family? You went out last night in a party fighting over a man and the news is everywhere. Why, Angela? Why?
Angela, is that true?
Mom, it wasn't my fault. Is it my fault? That stupid girl insulted me in the public. What was I supposed to do? So I taught her the lessons of her life.
Angela, you don't have any shame. You, the daughter of a governor, fighting a public just because of a man. A man, Angela.
Now listen. Now you go and prepare yourself because you are leaving this country this week.
Mom, I want to go back. It's good for me after all. So, because I'm a governor's daughter, I'll take insult from anybody.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Shut up, I shut it up for you. Are you not ashamed, Angela? Are you not? You think you're still the daughter of a former businessman that your father was? Angela, grow up. Grow up! Come back here!
It's okay.
What kind of daughter is this? What? Jeez.
What is going on here? What is going on here? Where are you guys going to?
To school.
They are going back to school. What do you mean that my children are going back to school without my consent?
You see, honey, have a good look at these girls. Because the next time they're going to set their eyes on you, when you'll be in jail. So take your time and have a good look at these girls that are going back to school right now.
I know you want to insult me. Yes, but I tell you this. I own you. And I own them. They are my children. And nobody makes a move without my consent. Now listen to me. You girls, I want you to make a U-turn and go back to that house. It is your father, Morgan, that is speaking right now.
Morgan, you are looking for my trouble in this house. Now you listen and listen very well. I'm going to give you a full dose of this trouble. And by the time I'm done with you, oh God knows what.
You are not what you call children. Go back! Go back! Henceforth! Now listen. Henceforth! Nobody leave this house without my permission!
Don't you dare shout!
Yeah! Please! Why should you bring this? Go back there! Please!
One through one spoon, all it brings are bad feelings are all we can. Oh, we run through one spoon. Excuse me.
What's up? Where's that woman?
Pedro.
Bring that woman out now.
Pedro.
Bring the woman out!
The woman is not there.
The woman is not what?
Come on, check it yourself.
Where is the woman? Where is the woman?
She's not there.
Where is the woman?
I said, she's not there. Hey, what's going on here?
Where is the woman in the cell?
Please don't fight. The door has been apart.
Then don't leave what? It wasn't our fault. See that someone is on your mind. This group is not for one man alone. Understand what you're saying? Yes, of course. The has other. This group is not for one man alone. I have to put a stop to this now. Just look at it! Can you imagine? It wasn't my fault now! It wasn't my fault!
So Pedro, wait. You see, I understand how you feel, okay? You see, now let us keep calm and see, and just find out from him why he has to release this woman.
Ginger, you don't understand one bit how I feel.
Now, tell me! Give me one reason, that's if you know! Why he's deviating from the original plan. The original plan is that we'll kill the woman. Yes! Why is he changing it? Who is he to dictate on this group?
Excuse me, you see...
We run the dirty shows, and he bears the boss. Promising the shows.
I understand, see, right now, I think he is the boss. And he is the boss, probably he knows why he's taking these actions. But you never can tell.
Did I hear you say he's my boss?
Yes.
No, did I hear you say he's my boss? Well, you're gonna calm down, like you said. Oh, calm down. You know why? Do you know why I'm coming down? It's because I am taking a walk. I'm leaving the gang. I'm leaving this fucking group. We run the dirty shows. He paid the boss. And then he twat on us.
Pedro, I understand. Pedro, I just... Well, you have to...
Why are you girls giving me this attitude? And you stop crying. Why are you crying?
Why should we be living like prisoners in our own father's house? I'll be subjected to house arrest. Mommy, it's not fair. It's not fair now. I don't like this.
I am tired. Serious, I am tired. We need to go back together before Dad decides to kill us all.
No. He's not going to kill any of you. He won't do anything. Okay. I plead with you girls to have a little patience. Be patient. Please, I beg you. I promise you that I will personally put your father in his rightful position in this society. Be patient to allow me to execute my plans. Please, I beg you. Don't give me those tears.
Mommy, whatever thing you want, Mommy, do it fast. You can't just be staying. I never knew Dad is this wicked. Mommy, I hate him.
I hate him. I swear to God, I hate that man. I hate Dad. He's very wicked. Look at how he's treating members of his family. I hate him.
It's okay. That is politics. That is today's politics. All they care about is about them. You, me. Your family, your wife, everything about your home is paramount. They are the secondary matter. Forget about it. Your mother, the chief judge of this will make sure that your father and all those evil men hear the word.
It's a very big problem, and we must find a way to solve it before it consumes us. But do you think that your wife will implicate you, her husband?
I know my wife very much. She is capable of doing anything. That woman is me.
Then we must have to do something fast. We must look for a way to stop her.
How do we stop her?
Leave that to me. Where is she now?
I left her home. That woman. This is a woman that her word will not come. This is a woman that does not play with her words. If she says it, she will fulfill it.
Like I said before, don't worry yourself. Leave that to me. Ask her to come and see me. Okay?
I pray she will accept to come.
Well, if she fails to come, I will come to your house to see her.
That would be better. Yes.
You see, you all are leaving this country tomorrow.
Yes. We are going nowhere.
What do you mean you are going nowhere? What do you mean? You want the children to go back, and at the same time you need to travel out of the country for to rest.
I no longer want to rest. I no longer want these children out of the country, honey. I want us to stay in here. To watch you. Use us for your political sacrifice. For your ambition. We are not going again. We are your living sacrifice right now. We are sitting behind. We are going nowhere.
Sweetheart, why are you doing this? Darling, why are you doing it? You know I love you. You know I want the best for this. Why? Please, I want you to think about it. Let's do it. Please.
But Dad, why you took to change your mind? I thought you said you were no longer living in this country.
Yes, I did. But I want you people to leave because of security reasons.
Leave the security out of this. We are not going anywhere. Just get out. Get out! Leave us alone!
Actually, asking me to get out?
Get out!
And I should get out?
Yes.
Alright. I'm not getting out. Because you asked me to get out. But I'm getting out.
Oh, get out!
No, that actually surprises me. He changes every now and then.
Yeah, because he feels so guilty. Especially now that he understands that we know every evil deed of his.
Mama, can you please allow us go back to Canada?
Honey, honestly speaking, I want you girls to go back. But not by your father's decision or plans. I don't trust your father. Your father is capable of doing anything right now, so I can't even go into that plan at all. You girls will go back, trust me. But not tomorrow. Neither is it going to be in his plans. We'll think of a way of handling all this. Just trust me on this one. Please.
Thank you, Mom.
Where is this stupid? Why is this madman? How could he leave the gate like this? Okay. Guards! Guards! Go open that gate for me right now.
Excuse me, ma'am. Boss said no one should be allowed out of this compound without his permission.
Boss said?
Yes.
Are you stupid? You go and get that gate open for me right now. Are you mad?
Sorry, madam. I can't do that.
You what?
Sorry, ma'am. I can't do that, madam.
You can't.
Boss, get
I
his
will
permission.
tell you I can.
Madam.
You're mad. Tell me you can't. I'll tell you I can. You guys are all crazy in this house. I don't know what is wrong with you.
Pedro, how are you? It's been a while I've seen you and your boss, Maxim.
That is the more reason why I'm here. I want to speak with you. But first, I want you to sit on the floor and listen.
Excuse me, me sit on the floor?
Will you keep quiet
I am
and
your
sit
boss
on
girlfriend.
the floor? My friend, will you shut up your mouth and sit on the floor?
Excuse me.
Sit on the floor. What? Now you're Allah.
Hey.
Good. I like when people listen to what, not to what in my orders. Now, I want you to go back to your so-called boyfriend and tell him I, Pedro, humiliated you. We run the city. I am a don in this cabal. I want you to tell him to stay off my path, to stay clear from my business. Else, he will have me to contend with. Tell him that.
I hope you get that. Stop, you're hurting me.
Shut up. Nevertheless, for your own good, stay away from him. Else, the rain that falls from the cloud to the floor will also sink down to the lower part of the earth and it will affect you. Let's get out of this place.
You know what? Next time you see us, stay clear. Because I'm going to be making war. And I'm a basic back.
So you succeeded killing my wife. Chief Mona.
You know I am not capable of doing that. Why would I kill your wife?
Don't insult my intelligence. You killed my wife because she threatened to bring us to book.
And you know the implication of that. Well, it has just happened. Let's take it like that. And you will be duly compensated.
I hate it. I hate whenever you talk about compensation. What kind of crazy talk is that? Now tell me, what kind of compensation will ever be compared to the life of my wife? I tell you something. You have started. And I promise to obey it.
Please calm down. Calm down. We will sort these things out. Please. Hello? Yes? Do you know them? Okay, bring them to my office. Alright.
Angela, what is actually wrong with you? Why did you slap your sister just because she was only trying to advise you? Why?
Mom, please, in this house, who is selling to tell me what and what not to do? The last I checked, I'm older than her, and I won't have her insult me. So you better talk to her not to try that nonsense with me again.
Mom, tell her the next time she lays her hands on me, I'm going to put my hands and watch her.
Hold up. What can you probably do to me? 100 people together, what can you do? Slap me back, right?
Yes, slap me back.
Then be ready to die.
And get ready to die first.
I suppose you hear me now. Right before you should insult me.
One of you, shut up! Shut up your mouth. Listen, Angela. Let today be the first and the last you lay your hands on your younger ones. Do I make myself clear? Do I?
Take her side. Support outsiders, you support them. Even in the house, you don't take my side. And as for me, the next time you try that rubbish with me in this house, your body will be to the cops to figure.
Can you see that? She walked out on you.
Angela, I won't get away from her. Leave her.
Imagine.
Leave her.
That's wrong.
Let her walk out on me. Just leave her.
See, Mom, I've had enough of all this rubbish. I'm just tired of her. What kind of rubbish is this?
Angela, I don't know what
I
is going
can't
on.
take this anymore from her again.
Don't know. I don't understand it anymore. Me, she has. Get out. Just
Get out!
Just tell her that I'm not around.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you imagine?
She has so much change since your daddy
What has been come over her?
I don't know. I don't.
Great one. I have come for more fortification.
I want to be stronger than before. I want to build my own empire and rule my own world.
Whatever you desire, you shall get in this temple. But you must be willing to pay the price.
Great one. My lord, I am willing to pay the price.
In that case, you don't have any problem. I shall make you stronger and more indispensable.
That is exactly what I want.
That means you have to provide Daba with 3 full-flesh sacrifices. After that, you'll be stronger than the rest of your peers.
Exactly as you said, I will provide.
What are you thinking about?
I'm not in a good mood. I'm thinking. You can imagine what I saw on news last night. Little children hawking on the street simply because their parents are unable to send them to school. Huh?
Yeah, it comes like that for a very long time, okay? It has been like that.
My dear, it's high time someone causes a change. There should be a change, for crying out loud. It's not fair. Some of these children are people that have bright future, okay? Someone has to cause a change. Seriously.
And who could that be?
It could be me. Serious. It could be me.
Please.
I am really determined to fight for your rights. Seriously.
Okay, please. It's alright. It's okay.
Great one. I came to find out if any of my boys came here for more fortification.
Oh yes. Why I was here.
And why did you give him more than you gave to me?
Because he offered more sacrifices than you did. And remember, according to Daba, to whom much is given, much is expected.
What level of sacrifice did he offer? What can I do to surpass his? Because I want to run this town alone.
In that case, you need to provide Daba with 4 full flesh of sacrifice. That way you will be stronger than he is, because he only offered 3 full sacrifices.
In that case, I will offer 6 full flesh to Daba. Because I want to ensure that no one challenges me. No one challenges my order or authority in this town.
Once you get that done, then Daba will accomplish your request. Then you'll be stronger than anyone else. But you can only pray that no one out there will be wiser than you are to offer more sacrifices than you are willing to offer right now.
Sure, no one will. No one will, because I will make sure I bring down anyone who dare feels he has the guts to do that.
I love your courage. Go home and prepare your sacrifice and come back.
Expect me tomorrow.
Dad, you're looking very handsome this morning. Even more than your age.
Thank you. Thank you. What of your mommy?
She's in Angela's room. Don't talk about traveling back to her as you instructed.
Yeah, she has no option than to travel to abroad. Instead of her being here and keep disgracing me. She will never change.
And I'll miss her if she goes. What is this?
Dad?
Oh, my sweet princess. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
You're looking good.
Thank you very much.
You're
So, and how are you doing?
Well, Dad, I'm not fine. I'm not fine at all.
Why?
Last night on the news, I saw many children walking on the street, and it wasn't really okay for me. I don't like it.
My sweet princess. It's not everybody that should go to school. Not everybody.
Oh, no, Dad. I disagree with you. Every child should have equal education and right to education. Because I see this as not okay in the society. Okay? Dad, you remember you always told me that education is a sure way to a bright future.
It's okay. As you can see, I am dressed to go out. When I come back, we'll talk about it.
Alright, Dad, it's okay by me. But always have it in mind that the best favor the government could do to these children is granting them access to education, Dad. Seriously. Remember, you've always told me that the key to a brighter future is education. So please, Dad, I'm begging.
Okay, the people's lawyer. I heard you. Okay?
Alright, Dad.
Till I come back.
Okay, Dad. Alright.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself.
I will.
Am I encouraged? Yes. I should be able to tell him what I feel. Because, I don't really like to think such things at heart, especially when it touches me. It's not really fair. Okay. Let me go in, okay? Check out the phone. I have to go in. Okay? Catch you later.
Brought you here because you have the information I need. And now I'm going to beg you to give me every bit of information you have concerning your madam. Thinks she can do anything she likes. That is not true. Because she feels she's the law.
I am the law, yeah!
If you don't want me, what Angel Michael will call me on phone later this evening, then you must give me every information you needed. Girl, you must obey the last order.
Okay, bye.
See all this, like how they cry? Keep on ground. Here we see the dog. Leave all this cry with the cry. They shake like leaf. Did you hear what I said?
Fine.
Now, are you ready to give me the information I need?
Yes, I'm ready.
Good. as I get dressed, yeah, I will come back here and get the information I needed. And then you keep watch at them while I go to execute my mission. If your informations are wrong, I'll call you, then you kill them. But if the information is right, then I'll tell you to let them go, no problem.
And you know I do no mistakes. I do no mistakes. Yo, there's no need to cry. You just need information and you're out of here, okay? You got no need to cry.
Hello, Auntie Baby. How are you, darling? Okay. I hope you arrived safely. Okay. We are all fine here, except for the rain. It's raining cat and dog here. As I'm talking to you right now, it's raining heavy. We are all in the house. Your dad, everybody. I hope you're doing fine. Okay. Just take care of yourself for me, okay? I love you. Bye, darling. Bye. She will call you later. Yes, Angela.
Hey, darling, hope you have told the children that they will be going back to London with you.
Please forgive me. I forgot. You know, I came back so late yesterday. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Dad, you need to stay here for all day. Why are you going to London so soon?
Well, my daughter, that was the initial arrangement, but things have changed. So you will have to go back to London to finish your holiday.
Well, I'm sorry, Dad. I am not going back to study there. In fact, as a matter of fact, I have decided to remain here and further my education in one of the public schools.
Princess.
What?
What do you mean? Do you realize you're the daughter of the governor? Do you? Or have you forgotten?
Why can I not attend any public school? Tell me, why?
Well, my daughter, you cannot school here. You cannot attend any private schools in this country, not to talk of any public school.
Why? Dad, I mean, why can I not attend any public school? Tell me, why?
Well, you cannot compare there with this place. There is standard. Here, no standard at all.
Who is supposed to make us standard?
Princess!
Mom! I asked that question. Let him answer me. Allow him to talk. Dad, I ask again. Who is supposed to make our school standard?
Okay, the government.
Good. You said the government. Now, as the governor of the state, what efforts have you made to make sure that our schools are up to standard? No, tell me. What efforts have you made? Anyway, as a matter of fact, Mom, I am not going back anywhere to study. This is my country and I am back and back for good. As a matter of fact, I will remain here. Excuse me.
And what has come over this girl?
What? Princess, you know, is something else. So, that's how.
Where are you? I get you. Now come towards back of the NELTV spot. Make sure that the view is smooth. No mistakes. Look who have donned the mask.
the most wanted. You think you can pull me down? You can see, I warned you to stop the kidnapping, but you refuse to listen to me. Now you can see I'm declared wanted for crime I committed not. Well, I thought you were the Don. The Don Maxwell. The lion that rules the city. All of a sudden, the Don Maxine has started developing cold feet. I am the Don. This jungle. And I run my package the way I want it. Ginger. The Don. Ginger! The Don. Ginger! The Don! The Don! No be small Pedro be this. Where they breastfeed, they spoon feed. So they get mad to talk to you. This is small Don. Hey! My Don, make I come on back. Go back for here. Make it finish now. Cool down. Cool down. Hey! I said cool down. But I promise you one. I'm going to pull you down before I get down.
Let's see how it goes, Maxine. Sooner or later, you find yourself in a prison yard.
He who laugh last, laugh best.
Get lost. Toy. When I talk toys, I'll be back.
Last week, even when we went back, processing plans. I don't know why you're in a rush over this issue. Your own share of the money will be given to you. I've never treated you bad, so just calm down. Hey, grandma is talk. We're in the midst of somebody. My woman is there. We should talk business here. She just kills us. Look who we have here. Just look who we have here.
So this is where you spend your cash.
You and your guys are welcome. You can have a seat. You want champagne? We can offer you drinks. I've got lots of money to spend.
Now listen to the idiot. Stop all this evil you're doing this time. Else, I may just sit to the heart of you.
Now you listen. I am no longer the Pedro that used to be under instructions back then. I am a king here, and I run my deals. I run my shit myself. So you better watch what you say for your own good.
I will shut up with this one.
Hey.
How dare you. If I hear any heat in this town, and it has any connection with you, I will visit you. And I know you won't like it. Remember, there's no hiding place in this town. You know I'll get all my information.
I don't suffer. Maxi. I don't die. Sure. Now, Maxi, listen to me. You can't do nothing. You will do nothing. I know you and the boys are hungry. You and the boys are hungry. I rule this kingdom. And if you don't want to leave this town for I and my boys to dominate, then stay clear and lie low for your own benefit. I know you guys are hungry. Come and have a seat. We'll give you champagne to drink. Whatsoever you want. Stop gallivanting yourself around. Because I'm no more under your instructions. No, come! Idiots! Come! Fool!
Maxi. I shall.
See, Pedro, I call you first, Pedro. They fool my hands. Maxim, come here, pour your drink. They look at small boy. What are you like?
I don't even talk about that one. So what's up? Let's get down to business. How far? And cash no important till you talk.
I am tensed already. I told you we'll talk about the business later. My woman is here, we can talk about business. What's up with you and this share money thing all about?
Say, wait, Pedro.
Maybe I don't understand you. Never experienced my ear. Me and you follow go hit, come back. Pass through all those happy and way, come back here. The yan of pata, the yan ayampo. Guy, what's up you? I need my money, what do you? But who they talk to? I go what's key for this business?
Why are you press? Is it because I keep quiet? You don't understand our boss with this? In the mad?
Men they talk.
Ah, come on here. Stop the fire you.
Jeez. Wire.
Hey, you know what? Oga, boss, you see her? Wait, boss, see, in the mad.
You and your boss now. I want bring level now.
See, I dey keep quiet because of Oga.
You know who I be? If I start, I'm for air to see yourself. So me and Pedro, see, as he be now, as he be, I need my money. Else, I swear, I will pop law. Wait,
well, there's no problems.
Pedro,
The money, you can go to the police, you can go to the media, you can announce as much. But as it is now, please, you can take a walk. The same way, man, same way.
Pedro, let me tell you this. The gentle walk of the tiger is what you cowardice. I swear, please, if I look at that money, I will pay your blood. You don't fit eat my cake, come out. You don't reach now, you don't even happy away for that idea. You don't yalla. You don't crazy. Pedro, you don't fight. You don't crazy. You don't crazy, you don't mind. You don't come on, Peter. You don't mind. You don't mind. Why you go for Ghana? You don't crazy. You don't crazy.
Well, the reason why I called you out from the bar is because I like you. And because you are the most loyalist among the other boys back then. I just can't watch you risk your life running an errand ball for someone who doesn't appreciate you.
I thought maybe you called me probably to apologize on your wrongdoing, the betraying attitude.
Far from it, my friend. But on the contrary, I called you there to give you a business offer.
Business deal?
Yes,
So I think you should be saying this to your partner. Why your partner in crime? I think he should be the right business partner of yours.
Wire! Wire! I don't know why you like challenging me. But this time, I will tell you that Pedro talk less, but I do more.
Pedro, what's up here? Where my money? How far you now? Your weight no reach. Where my money? I swear, if I don't get my money today, I go pour your blood. What did it happen?
I know you think you know what I know, but there's something you don't know.
Oh, there's Shikwa. Take it easy.
Baba?
It's time for you. I don't get my money. Oh, there's Shikwa. One no, there's Shikwa. You know they enter. You know they enter, wow. Oh, yes.
There are things you don't know.
Wire just eloped. One morning he just eloped. He told me he's leaving town. So let's not talk about Wire. Let's talk about business. Okay. I have a business deal for 50 million naira. And I know 10 million can better your life. I want to exempt you out of trouble and give you business that will better your life. You understand? You see, there are certain factors about Maxine that you don't know about. Else, why would the police be after me? Are we not all in this together?
Thank you. I like the question, Mr. Troy. I think I should be the one asking you that. Because looking at it critically, everybody knows that you are brain behind this. Man, you are not exempt. I think you have a hand in this.
I don't have a problem with him. I don't even have hands in his misfortune. He doesn't want anyone to grow under him. He wants everybody to live in him. As a matter of fact, he felt I would be crawling under my knees, begging for food, or coming to beg him. He used that. But let me tell you something. I have 52 ways of making money, and I just applied for it. And I'm looking good, doing well. You need money. You need money to better your life. You have a fiancé, you have a family. So I have a business deal for 15 million and 10 million. What do you do? That's only if you could join my crew.
Excuse me. Are you trying to lure me into coming? Are you trying to lure me into your gang? Into your dirty gang?
You had me well, but if that's the way you understood it, then yes. If you will give it a thought, then I don't have a problem with that. Okay. You need money? You have a fiancé? You need clothes, you need to look good. You need to rule your own empire.
I see it here right now. There is nothing on earth, nothing can make me to betray my boss Don Maxim. I am with him, the most loyal for life. I can never betray.
Like I earlier said, I know you're a realist. But all the same, when you're ready, or if you think you can as well give it a second thought, don't hesitate to give me a shot.
Hey Drew, you're disappointed. You'll never betray my boss Don Maxim.
You are welcome. How can I please help you?
On the contrary, Mr. DSP, we're here to help the police to do their job.
I can't understand. You haven't the police.
All right.
Mr. DSP, we are here in respect of Maxine Jackson's deal. Screened on air.
Maxine?
Yes.
That criminal. Have you any information linking to his delivering to the police?
Well, we have every information you need. If only you guys could agree on our terms.
Already, the state government have signed out the sum of 50 million naira to whomever could link to his arrest or deliver him to the police. And that is a big deal.
That is a point. Now why not go back and tell the governor that we are demanding 100 million to deliver Maxine red-handed to the police.
100 million. It's on the high side. But the state government have already promised a sum of 50 million, and that is a big deal.
Mr. DSP, why not communicate to the governor that if he really needs Don Maxine Jackson, 100 million naira is a deal?
Well, without wasting much time, I work with time. You will give me a call whenever you guys are ready to do business.
Well, I will speak with the governor. I'm through. I'll give you a call.
The pleasure is mine.
Just one thing. The police and agent officers are not to dodge with. But of you, we should work together.
That's no problem. You make this a top secret.
Carol? Oh no! Carol, you don't big oh. What is this on your hair?
Nothing, Uncle. I just did it.
You don't have to pour it out.
No.
Eh? What is Mama?
Forgive me.
No, watch it to be very careful. Something inside.
Mama, where is that? Mama, brother is back.
You are welcome. The state governor insists paying the 50 million he promised. But the party chairman have added 35 million to that. That is sum of 85 million. Can we go with that?
Mr. Morgan, well, if the party chairman, Mr. Morgan, has agreed to add additional 35,000 to the 50 million, then we'll aim for the deal. But I am going to warn you. I just want to warn Mr. DSP. I don't have patience. I don't know how to condone stupid things. They should not joke with me. When it comes to payment of my money, ouch.
Well, your money has no problem. Whatever happens from you, you usually pay to you, as far as you to be upset of it.
DSP Douglas, I will advise you to be the wise man that you are. If you play with us, we will not be happy. We will be forced to do something stupid. And also, there's this saying that the police is your friend. We want you to be a friend this time.
Well, nothing to worry about. Please always working with you. Always keep your hands out of it. That's how I have to stay.
Well, this is how it goes. We start with a plan.
B because our plan A has failed. We checked on him last night only to discover that he has relocated from his apartment. But not to worry. Not a plan B these days. We are going to get his mother arrested. And then he'll show up because he loves his mother so much. Once we get his mother in police neck, he'll come out. And then we'll get him.
I can't understand. The mother is innocent. It's Maxine we are looking for.
We need Maxine. It's just a strategy. We need Maxine. And all we need to do is arrest the mother. We're not killing her. In police, you get the mother arrested and you come to bail the mother, then we'll... Simple. That's all.
At first, should not be hot-headed.
Then we'll get the mother arrested tomorrow. Is your deal?
We'll come back, let's see how it starts.
See, listen, I don't understand you anymore. What happened to the cross on your rosary? Where is the crucifix on this rosary? Eh? You're not prayerful again. That's why I keep on having bad dreams about you, everything. Eh? I call you concerning the battle I had towards you a few days back.
Mama, stop all this bad dream you've been telling me about. See, look, Mama, as a result of you worry too much about me. That's why you keep having all these bad dreams. Oh, but cool down now. Stop all this. I've told you nothing will happen to me.
God
nothing
forbid.
of such.
God forbid. My dear, you don't have to blame me. Eh? Put yourself in my shoe. If how can somebody have a son like you and will not be worried if anything bad will happen to him or not? The way you're going, eh? My dear, remember that one day you'll be like me, you'll be a parent, and you know what it takes for a mother to get worried about her child.
Mama, see, let me tell you something. You named me Terminal, not so? Do you know the meaning of terminal? Nothing will happen to me. And I have tried to make you understand that you don't have to worry about me. Don't. I don't want any sickness to attack you because as a result of your worriness, you might get attacked by all this devilish sickness. It's not as if I don't have the money to take care of you, but let the sickness not come at all. Because you're my joy. Please.
Why am I having this dream repeatedly? Why? Eh?
Well, because you're worrying too much. You're worrying too much, Mama.
You're worrying too much about me, that's why.
Tamino, where are you? Eh?
Good day, ma.
Good day, officer.
I'm Inspector Peter. Where is your son?
Officer, my son is not here. He doesn't stay here.
Where is him?
He stays in the city.
Yes.
He's not here with us.
Yes.
As a matter of fact, I don't even know where he lives.
Cobra!
Sir!
Search this house!
Yes, sir.
Hey, keep quiet! Keep quiet! When you go to the station, you can complain.
Nobody's there.
You mean there's nobody inside this house? Take her away.
Take her alone. Please, no, please. Leave her alone. Leave her alone.
What have I done?
Take her away.
Let's go. Let's go.
Officer, please, she's not...
Let's go. Let's go. Move. Let's go. Leave her.
Wise one, I have come for my personal need. I need an extra protection. My boys have splitted away and they are plotting evil against me. They have already plotted my mother's kidnapping. I need to fight back. Wise one, I need extreme protection.
I am ready to give you any kind of protection that you need. If only you are ready to offer any kind of sacrifice.
What kind of sacrifice, wise one?
You'll have to provide a virgin girl for your sacrifice.
Wise one, I hate shedding innocent blood. Is there another sacrifice I can offer on top of that?
That is what you need. Or you provide us with 1 million naira. Then we can buy all that you need to perform the sacrifice.
With due respect, wise one, I will bring the money right away.
What are you doing here? What rights do you have to ask me so stupid questions?
You plotted my mother's kidnapping. I'll make sure I bring you down, your entire family in the world.
Maxine, it's been long. I've started hearing those empty threats coming from you.
Do your worst.
But you know what? We shall see.
Enough. I said enough.
Due respect, wise one.
Mr. Pedro, you don't have to be a desperado. Check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Madam, you don't want to tell us where your son is?
Officer, I have told you before, I don't know where my son stays in the city. I don't know there.
Your son is an armed robber, also a killer.
My son? Tamono, it's a lie.
Madam, keep quiet.
Is not a
keep
criminal.
quiet.
My son cannot even
Your
cut his
son
fly.
is a criminal and the most wanted criminal in this city.
It's not true.
You don't know your son.
No, it's
You
not
don't
true.
know him.
I'm not going
He
to
is
agree
a
with
thief.
you on this one. My son is not a criminal.
Madam, keep quiet.
My
Now,
son cannot even cut his
this
fly.
one tell us for you. We'll detain you until you get your son. Now, you don't want to say the truth back?
I'm tired of all this hanging around, drinking and other stuff. I need to know your house, everything.
Well, you see, I'm making a good arrangement for you. Making a good arrangement for you. I don't want to clash issues between you and Porsche. Okay? I am making an arrangement to get you a good apartment, a very good residential area.
And that should be one of those houses that GRA they can feel comfortable.
Babe, we're talking about going to his house. Have you forgotten you have 2 lioness? Or do you want them to like tear you apart?
Hello, Posh.
Don't give a shit.
Hi.
Yeah. Let me tell you something. Life is about the risk, okay? You go there, you see lions, you go there, you see that risk. It's about doing and enjoying.
What are we talking about, Lion?
Just do it.
I'll take you to the best hotels this time.
That's all I know.
You like that?
I'm trying to
Sorry about
switch
that.
this. Wise one, I have come to thank you for the protection because they are wonderful.
I told you you have to prepare and come back for an upgrade.
Yes, I will do that. As soon as I'm ready, I'll let you know. But for now, I have someone I want to show to you.
Who is that?
Come Come on in. Wise one. I decided to kill you because I don't want you to fortify my boys anymore to come after me. You went and fortified Wire. Wire almost destroyed me. I wouldn't stand a chance anymore. Go to hell and reign. Fortify the devil if you want. Let's get out.
Wow. Oh, look at us, the queens. Oh my God. Her Majesty. You're welcome. So beautiful.
Go read that there.
Hello, baby. You don't talk to Pedro like that, right? You don't talk to Pedro like that.
What have we done wrong? Is there any problem?
So you don't know what you've done? So you guys still went out with those little things you call girls, hmm?
Who told you that?
Don't lie to me. Don't try it.
It's like you guys want us to post those girls. Exactly. Don't worry. We'll do just that.
Hey.
And put you guys in picture.
No, I'm sorry. Hey, I'm sorry. Hey, I promise it's not going to happen again, okay?
Of course it won't happen again. You see, because you will not set your eyes on those pretty girls again.
Hey, Poch.
That's why I'm here.
Poch, I am warning you. Don't dare. It's a warning. You dare not lay your hands on those girls. Don't harm any one of them. Like I said, you won't see anyone close to me.
Okay, you see, Her Majesty, I am now as the Chief Judge. I'm standing here as the Chief Judge. Please, forgive him.
You guys think we're fools. I know what to do. I know exactly what to do. Babes, let's get out of here.
What? Don Pedro talk less, but does more. Hey, my lady, don't worry. I've not forgotten where we're coming from. Porch and I came from the street. I know what she's capable of doing, but I can control her. Okay, she's still under my bonnet. Bobby.
That Pedro, see those girls, they are heavy. We woman say never underestimate the power of a woman.
Baba, go in and get me a bottle of hot drink. At least let me just cool my nerves, then let's talk something good.
I hope you take care of those girls. Me?
Still run the jump. She's just like...
Oh. Yo. Pedro. See, I have an idea. Pedro. In fact, let me just let it out. I was talking to my friend, I was trying to reach my friends outside the country. And, in fact, let me just tell you. After this particular deal, I will be traveling out to Miami to get settled and all that. That's what I'm going to do.
Are you tired of making money then? Right?
No. Point of correction. No. But you see, I'm just looking at it this way, because I'm very, very sure that this particular deal, I will earn 40 million naira. And 40 million naira is enough money to get me settled comfortably in Miami and probably start a new life, not like this. How do you see it?
Oliver, I try to understand what you're saying. Meaning you've already shared the money, right?
You heard me. Yeah, you see, okay, I think, let me just bring out the sharing formula as I plotted it. See,
the sharing formula, let me just bring it out. I will take 40 million naira. And you too, 40 million as well. Then I think the leftover 5 million will be given out to the guys. How do you say? Is that not a good enough sharing formula?
Listen to me. Listen and listen very good. I run this jungle.
How?
I am the Lord here. I run the clique. So you have no right whatsoever to make decisions for me. You have to take whatever given to you. My decision stands and nothing can change it. Whatever I decide here on this deal is final.
Pedro, I don't just know where to start from. But I want to say it, Pedro. Don't you ever misinterpret my quietness to weakness. Don't you do that. Pedro, you are not my leader. You're not. Both of us, we're in this game together. Yes, you're just like me. So with that, you have no right of any kind to impose orders, to want to rule everything, no, I don't. Okay? You have no right.
Oh, if I want to be setting towards what you are saying right now, well, are you in any way trying to challenge my orders? Are you in any way trying to dare me? Because I know very well that you also know how dangerous that could be. Ginger, don't dare me.
Pedro! I want to warn you, Pedro. Don't you ever, don't allow the devil in me to come out, okay? Don't want to see the devil in me. Don't allow it to come out, okay? I don't like being pushed. I don't like being pushed.
Wait, what is actually going on between Ginger and Nollywood?
My dear, I'm even more confused than you are. You know, this issue has been bothering me. It has been eating me up. I can't just place it, you understand? But I think something is wrong somewhere. These guys are hiding something from us.
That is it. You know, I've severally asked Ginger to tell me what the problem is. But he continues telling me there is no problem. And there is a problem.
My dear, same here.
I
keep asking.
No, it's not.
Can you hear that?
I am very serious. Me? Pedro, you don't understand. I am very bothered. You're not going in. No, Pedro, you're not going in.
I'm tired.
Yes, I know it's your own house, but at this point in time, you're not going in. Pedro.
My dear,
This nonsense must stop, Pedro. It must stop. Because I will not allow you to use me to betray me the way you betrayed Max. I will not.
Are you okay? I betrayed Maxine or we betrayed Maxine? It's like you're forgetting something.
Oh,
we betrayed Maxine.
Just look at who is talking. You're the one saying this. No, I was not a party to this until you lured me into doing this. You just lured me into doing it. Now again, you want to use me and drop me? No, you can't use me. I will not allow you to implement this.
Well, let me tell you. As much as I'm concerned, you're talking nonsense. Right? And I'll advise you to be still if you don't have anything to say.
Me talking nonsense? Me talking nonsense? Pedro,
I will ensure that I rubbish this whole thing. I will rubbish this whole thing, okay? Most importantly, let me shock you. Let me just shock you, Pedro. Let me shock you. I am going to report you to the police. I will tell them everything about you and they will know how dirty you are, Pedro.
Oof. Big talk. Big talk. You report me to the police. You won't dare. You know why? If you try it, I'm going to kill you.
Pedro, you kill me? Kill me? Pedro, you can't kill me. Do you think I'm those little shit, those little rats that you just use a pot and they die like that? No, you can't do that to me. And before you kill me, I will take you down 6 feet below, okay? Pedro, you cannot kill me. You can't try that.
Don't tell me.
Pedro,
don't tell me.
Pedro,
don't tell
Pedro,
me.
you cannot try.
Don't tell me.
You can't try it.
Don't tell me.
I'm telling you, you can't try this.
Don't tell
Pedro,
me.
you can't do anything.
Don't tell me.
You can't do anything, Pedro. You can't try it. We have to settle it here.
What's going on between you and Ginger, your friend? Please,
Nothing.
Oh, baby, will you stop that? Stop playing to us and tell us the simple truth. What's going on?
I think I've said nothing. Baby, the only thing, if you want to know, that is a problem between me and Ginger is that he has refused to recognize the fact that I am the king of this jungle. I am the lord of this gang. I call the shots here. And that's it. Nothing more. For your information, go and tell that stupid boyfriend of yours. Go and tell that ingrate that I said, if he don't want to recognize the fact that I'm the lord over this gang, I swear to God, I'll kill him. I've made myself clear.
The devil will go punish you and they do praise up. What I mean is that the devil will destroy you and your entire generation.
Well, you see the reason why I still look at you as a small boy. The reason why I believe you are still learning. Because up till now, you've not comprehended the fact that the devil cannot, like you call him, cannot destroy his own agents. Fool.
Pedro, listen. I will leave this house. But I want to assure you, very soon, you will hear from me.
I'm waiting for you.
Please, baby, please. You guys should just sort things out. Just
You guys can sort it out, yes.
I've gotten it up to here.
If he wants to leave, the door is open.
Let's leave this place. Let's get out.
Just sort it out.
As for him, then as for you, Pedro, very soon. Will you keep quiet and let's go?
Let me go get my things.
Bag what? I bought them for you and I can do more than that. Let's go.
Have a bad day, Pedro.
So what do you want me to do? I should beg him? Or I should fall on my knees? Or rather, allow nobody to reign supreme in my own house and in my business? I talk less, but I do more. They are too small.
It's not fair at all.
Go inside. Just go inside now, Mr. Thing.
That is what Pedro actually wanted to do. Then he's very wicked. I mean, who does he even think he is? Anyway, let me talk about him. But, honey, you told me that you joined money together with him and get the house and everything inside, right? Don't tell me you're gonna sit here and allow him take everything.
I know you talk like a woman. You know, women talk not to prolong issues, by talking. But I want to assure you that I know how to handle it. Yeah, don't bother your pretty head about that.
Okay, if you say so.
Get there, I know what you do. Just as I promised him that I will visit him soon. I'm still working on pipeline.
Oh, yeah, no problem. Since you say so.
Oh, excuse me.
Okay.
It's like the weather is out there. So
Oh.
go, wait, get those drinks on. Oh, that's it. You see, as you come back, all of this thing.
Alright, but don't get drunk.
Get
Alright.
Not get drunk.
Oh my God.
How's that?
Pedro.
Who's this?
Pedro, what are you doing here? And how did you know that I'm here?
Well, I've waited long ago. As you said you're going to pay me a visit. And since I didn't see you, I decided to come pay you a visit. And to warn you to stay away from my deal.
Why do you point this on me? What's this? Oh, you use that and kill birds.
Well, little boy, I know it will not penetrate you. But I know how to deal with little boys like you. I went to see the DSP and he told me how you came to ferment lots of lies against me. You told him that I, Don Pedro, is your boss and that he should pay directly to your account in my own deal. Why do you want me to kill you with my bare hands? Now, Ginger, I have come to warn you to stay clear my deal. Else.
Well, that is just the beginning of it all. And I just want you to keep calm and watch the event that is going to be unfold. Okay? I will do more than that. Now get out.
Get out of my... Sit down! What? You just... Look at this! Come on, guys! Hey!
Look at this!
Bring him down. Bring him down. Bring him down.
Pass it.
He doesn't know what he's doing. Hello, my angel. Hold on. It's just a little boy.
Hey!
Get your hands off me. Hold on.
Oh, listen, little boy. Pedro. I talk less, but do more.
Excuse me.
I told you I run this jungle. You don't even have sufficient balls under your legs.
Exactly.
Oh, Pedro talk less, but do more. I have a way of dealing with things like you. Maybe I will start with...
What?
Don't do that!
Do you mean I should pull off my clothes?
Pull off your clothes! Pedro!
Wait.
Don't pull it! My friend, keep quiet! You little piece of shit, won't you keep quiet?
Do you know who you're talking to?
Well, I'm not swag.
Fool.
Hey, let me have it. These are rags. I don't like wearing rags. Hey, come on, pull up those things. Hey, pull it.
Hey, do you know what you're doing?
Close your mouth.
I don't want to spray your nose. I've been watching no videos. Hey, go ahead. Hey,
Are you enjoying it?
Done. Are you watching them? I said smile and watch at them. Idiot.
Once you make they try you. Say you just forget us for area, come stay with your guy, they fly. You dey fall hand for here.
Oh my God. Babe, listen, as it be said now, things don't get better for you. Carry us along, go. Don't forget that all of us grew from the same ghetto. I be babe now, like.
So now.
Come here, come to enjoy for this big house. You know, even they remember your own girls.
Why not they in like this now? Don't be say I forget to now. Man, babe's not my guy. My guy know they give me chance to make some waka. Attire. It's attire.
Tell her the truth now. Tell her say you want to see some of your chick. Wanna grow up together. I be himself na John C guy. When they don't understand.
Let me have some.
Not even go there. My guy na correct guy with swag. You know they last.
But then a correct guy. Hey, then come on and I'm the story now. Chukam the prophecy. You understand? As you say the guy gets swag. Tell him Chukam the prophecy. Make una carry us now. We will be your home guests. Carry us along. That babe make you flex small. So, see this big house why they see so. I like them all. And you see this drink. I want to continue to the drink. I be not like him.
Ah, so now.
Do. I go tell her. Go tell my pina.
I know they go again. I don't last.
Posh.
Gillian, so you mean this guy slept with you in the presence of your guy?
Yes. The bastard did.
And you agreed?
What would I have done? He threatened to shoot me. And I know Pedro very well. He's very hardened. If I have refused, he would have shot me.
Oh.
I was so confused, I didn't know what to do.
But you can't know this guy.
Yes, of course. He's actually my guy's best friend.
What? You mean your guy's best friend slept with you in the presence of your guy?
Yeah, he did.
Unbelievable. Okay, so where's your guy now?
He's in the hospital. Dude, he was shot.
It's okay. See, Gillian, I'm just going to advise you on one thing right now. You really need to leave this town. You need to leave this town right now.
What have I done now?
It's okay. You just need
Why is all this happening to me?
It's okay. You just need to leave this town. It's okay.
It's only...
I'm giving you a special assignment. I want you to get Pedro, dead or alive. If you see Mama kill, if you see Pekin kill, bloody, all I want is his head. No mercy. It shall be done. Let me teach him a little lesson. It shall be done once.
See, guys. Boss, hold down. What are you doing?
Say this your guy, I'm not understand. Say I mean I dey fear. Move for this house.
Why you dey fear now? Where you want go? Me, I did this town with my guy Pedro, nothing dey happen. Now we dey run this town now.
They say Yawa dey for time, who come for this house they go. And why they talk like this?
If you want go, make them bounce now. Get the door open, I beg. Not dey yarn like this. I know they go anywhere. Now my boyfriend has to be this. I know they go anywhere.
I no go fit go leave you. No see be my friend. Then maybe they here now. We go come out for this house. We go.
I know they go. I beg.
Where is that your nonsense, idiot, stupid, foolish boyfriend, Pedro?
A point of correction. Boyfriend is not stupid, nonsense, idiot.
They mad? Are they talk? They mad? Come on, go now. Who be that one now?
Nah, messenger. It's a hard.
I wanna search this house, find out who come out. If I stand here,
Bastard is not here.
You want challenge? That bastard is going to be found.
That guy is not there. That guy is not there.
Who be that one? Who be that one, sir? Carry out the book.
Come on, move it. You're mad. Come on.
Pedro! Come out here. Who's that? Pedro, where are you? You think you can do that? Pedro! You come to my house? Oh my God. You circled my girl in front of me. Pedro! I know you're out there listening. Pedro! Rubbish. Pedro! You don't want to calm down? Who killed this? What's going on? What's this? Pedro! You'll meet your Waterloo very soon!
Hush! Cry out loud. Where has she gone to? Hello, Porch, where are you? I can recognize your voice. I know you're the one talking. And what are you doing with my woman's phone? Well, I know you can do that. You will do no such thing. Don't dare me. Give the phone to her now.
Stop being so damn rude. Okay, drink something. You should be happy this guy did not shoot you. Okay? But it's not be well with this guy. Huh? Do these guys really enjoy raping girls? See them crying. What do they enjoy? Don't forget that I was crying like that.
Wow. I wouldn't touch you or even shoot you. That's only if you do as I say. Okay?
I'm ready to cooperate. Take anything you want from me.
Well, let me just start with taking your phones first.
Because if any of you try to play pranks with me, I swear to God, I'll leave some of these bullets on your future skins and you will be my head. So, as soon as I just stand up, you stand with me and we just walk out of this hotel calmly.
Okay.
Right?
We'll do that.
Understood?
Yes.
Alright, first, just please smile on your face. Come on, keep smiling. You know, like people who obey simple instructions. Pedro like people obey, and when they obey, Pedro does what is necessary. Alright, come on, keep smiling, keep smiling. Good work, good work. Alright, let's just walk out of spot without creating scene here, right? Hey, come on, let's get out. Keep smiling. Hey, not too fast. Not too fast. Hello. Jama. Hey, no, they are not leaving, okay? I just want to have simple discussion right outside. Hey, come on, let's go. Hey, keep smiling. Beautiful girl.
Please don't kill us, please. It's been 2 days now, please.
Shut up. Shut up! My patience is running over. My patience is running over. You know my problem with you? You talk too much. Anyone who thinks he can run me down, I have every reason to do even worse. The government will spot that. Shut up. I wouldn't want to kill you, but I'll give you a reason to do that. Face this way.
You need to cheer up. You can't continue like this. Your mother will come back.
Come back when? Since 2 days now, I've not seen her. I don't know if something that happened to her.
Nothing has happened to your mother. She will come back.
You must compel him to release my mother, else I'll kill you. Go to the court right now. You must compel him to release my mother right away. Let me come. Okay, boss. Is that boss? Listen to me, young man. Of course you know me, Markson. I am holding your lady here. I want you to release my mother. Listen to her.
You heard her. Well, listen to me, little boy in the jungle. I have something that will interest you. Let's just start by making some little video calls. I have good episodes for you to watch.
Make a video call. That's boss.
Boss, what is it? Boss, what is it?
What? What's in the apple? What's in the apple here? I think I kill somebody. Boss! No!
Fool. Well, I know you're watching this episode. Is it not interesting? Just shut up. I have episode 2 for you. Boys. Sir. Get him the next episode.
Shut up!
Idiot. If I hear one more word from you, I swear to God, I will butcher you with my bare hands.
Please.
Now listen to me. She's the next sacrificial lamb.
Please leave my sister alone.
If anything happens to my woman, I will kill your mother. I have your mother in my possession the way you have hers. And then watch me.
No! Ganupa, Ganupa! Ganupa, Ganupa! With that girl, with that check up, little Charles. You just killed my only sister.
No, it's a lie.
Oh, damn it.
No, wait for boss! Let's get this guy out of here!
That's the problem, boss. Let's let this guy get out of here. I got it. Come on, let's go, my girl. With that girl, with that.
Hey, come on, smile! Smile! Keep on smiling.
Mr. Petro, you are welcome.
DSP, sorry I kept you waiting.
Oh, no problem.
A little traffic.
Now, the reason why I called you on phone earlier is because I want you to release Maxine mother to me.
You fear raising Maxine mother would make us to get him into police net?
DSP, I've got a plan.
Just release her to me. I will use his mother to trap him and hand him over to you.
If you feel you're reaching Max's mother will lead us to get Maxine, that's good. But what you want is nothing happens to her because she's innocent. So that's why we have to be involved.
Hey, DSP. Don't make me look stupid. Don't make me look stupid. I will not do anything to her. Just release her to me. And then I have a good plan to use the woman to fetch Maxine and deliver Maxine to you. That's simple.
Yeah. If that is the case, I will tell my men. And my men, we have to involve. So my men will go with you alongside we here.
Okay, this is how we'll do it. I will relate every bit of information to you and your man on how I go about it. Is that okay?
No problem.
Very well then.
Problem should not be hurted.
Very well. I'll send my men to the station tomorrow for our release.
Thank you.
Right. See you. I'll give you a call.
See you.
Go!
Do the video call.
If you don't release my mother, I will blind your lady. Release her now.
Now I have something to show you as well. Maybe you can watch your mother also.
What? What the fuck? It's okay. Please release my mother. Please. I'm going to get your lady back to you, okay? Listen to me. We all have to leave here right now. Take this lady along with me. Get out with me!
Stand up!
Move it!
The son started what he cannot finish. Open your mouth! Maxine, I know you can see your mother clearly. We're all in this together. What? Well, I don't know why I'm not pushed to do certain things. I don't know why I'm not pushed to do this. I am begging you for the last time. Let my woman go. Else, you will prompt me to do something you wouldn't like with your mother. Let her go. Yes, you want me to let your mother go? I won't touch her. Then let my woman go.
Boss, do something. This is what the song is about.
Dispose the body and throw it on the street.
Yes, boss.
between. It's okay.
Why did you kill her? Why? Pause for how long now? Pause for how long now? Eh? Better go there for this town. They challenge you for this town. Eh? Why keep this girl? The girl can't die. My mother is at stake here. Do you know that we had her to hold back my mother? Do you know? Well, you're right. In that case, get ready for the last battle. So that we can rescue my mother and deal with that idiot once and for all. Get the boys ready.
Right, boss.
Come on! Uganda!
Expecting you. You see, the problem I keep having with you all the time is that you don't keep to time. That's too bad. But I have to tell you this. Your mother is dead. Sorry to announce how you died.
Fire!
I hate when little boys confront me. Boys! Maxi, you know that. But I have a news for you. I have a great surprise for you, Maxi. Come on in. I will drop you down today.
Momo, come on! Your father! Fool!
Bastard! Bastard!
Abua!
Welcome to this place. I told you. What was it?
Doctor! Ekete! Your father. You don't jump in here. I see. I'm gonna pull your teeth off. Come on. Maxie. Told you I always have a surprise for you. Baby! Okay? Kill your mother! Shoot this idiot! Give him another bullet! Good job. That's a very nice job. I hate obstructions. Now, I do my things the way I want. I am a king here.
Hey, bastard! Think you can go free?
Listen, I regretted. Take this message to the youth. I ever regretted working for a politician. Tell the youth never to be used to rig election, because the politicians will come back to them to destroy them. Tell them. It's a message.
My boss! Boss! Gosh! I will take this message to the world. Youth, say no to election violence.
you.